Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with YouTube automation. Make money online tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to start earning money with YouTube automation. Now, if you don't know what YouTube automation is, basically you will have your own YouTube channel that will automatically have content. And you don't need to use your own voice or even your own clips to create your own YouTube automation. Now in today's video, we will be explaining to you the process. We will be using our trusty whiteboard in Canva over here to explain to you the process of YouTube automation. Now of course, in YouTube automation, you would need to have your YouTube channel. Now, if you already have or once you create your YouTube channel, you know the basics of how to do YouTube if you're listening to this video. Basically, the goal in YouTube is to reach the monetization stage where you have enough, or if you're eligible for monetization, then you will be able to start earning money. But the goal of YouTube automation is not to show your face or even use your own voice. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for a team. Now you could look for a team in either Fiverr or even Upwork, and once you build the team that you will now have workers who will make the videos for you. So basically, someone will create or edit the video for you, and someone could even handle your social media, and you will also be able to have someone to edit the different posts that you have. See here, let's put it like that. So this is what we have so far. We have your team, someone who would manage the social media, someone who would record, or if you want, someone who would be the voiceover of the specific video. Now there is a lot of different niches out there, and you have to think about the specific niche that you would like your specific YouTube channel to have. Of course, you can't really have a YouTube channel that has random niche. That's not really dependable and sustainable. You would need to stick and look for a specific niche that would be very useful. So for example, let's go over here in YouTube. Let's search for Future Unity. Future Unity is a channel that is focused on discovery and science and technology, as you can see here on their topic. It's like a Discovery Channel collection type of video. So every YouTube video that you find over here is about the topic. And so their niche is technology, science, and discovery. So if we check out their YouTube channel over here in Social Blade, we will be able to figure out how much they are earning with that type of niche. And as you can see, it's not really loading right now. So I guess there's an issue with our Social Blade. Let's go look for another channel over here. Let's say Beyond Discovery. Let's go check out this one instead.
Faster than the...
Place it over here. And there we go. We will be able to see their estimated earning. Now, the niche of Beyond Discovery is very similar to Future Unity as earlier. And as you can see, their niche is able to earn 2.7k to 43,000 or 43.7k as well. And that is very high for that specific niche. And of course, the way you present your videos is going to be important. So you could utilize a lot of different techniques. You could ask your editor to utilize different tools such as Adobe, the voice enhancer, or you could utilize AI voice as well, such as 11 Loves over here, where you could choose any type of voice. For example, Adam, let's go with that. Then let's say, hi, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. There we go. Then you could adjust the voice settings. Let's go with 30 for the stability, and let's go with 35 as the clarity. Then you could click on generate.
Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial.
And as you can see, we were able to create a voice that will say whatever script that we provided. So you could utilize this as well to create your YouTube video that you will post in your YouTube channel. And basically, you're going to have to continue this for a period of time because, of course, creating a YouTube automation channel or any YouTube channel out there, you're not going to be able to build and have it monetized overnight. So you're going to have to create quality content until you will be able to get enough views and even get enough monetization to get it running. So you're going to have to spend a while or spend some money to build your team before you could even get something back. But once you are able to make it sustainable, or once the process is now smooth and you're monetized, you will be able to have the potential to earning this much as you can see here. The monthly earnings, by the way, is $228 to $3.6K. That's the estimate. So you have a lot of potential. And the most latest one is last Sunday. They were able to earn at least $52 to $837, which is very nice. And if you don't know how to get started, if you don't have enough for the team, let's assume that you are alone, you could utilize AI and ask it to help build your. You could use the 11 Labs, you could use Pexels over here for a collection of videos that you will put together for your specific type. So let's say space over here. You will be able to find space videos, as you can see here. Then you could use ChatGPT to generate your script. Then 11 Labs over here will find you. Then you could simply put all this together and you will be able to create your very own YouTube automation by yourself. And that process takes a while and a lot of effort. So that's why I was talking about earlier to have a team instead, so that they will be the one doing it for you. And you're just going to wait for them to produce the video and you simply upload it. And eventually you're going to have a passive income from this. And you will be able to earn through YouTube automation through that method. And if you understand this process, I would appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe later on. But let's go over the discussion that we have just created. Like I said earlier, the first step is to create your YouTube channel. It's going to be a fresh YouTube channel. There's no there's no subscriber yet. There's no views yet. So what you're going to need to do is either hire a team or videos on your own. You could have AI to build it for you, or you could have a team to build your YouTube videos. You can see here. And after that, you're simply going to generate your YouTube videos, upload it to YouTube, and eventually you're going to get monetization. The better your videos is, of course, the better views that you will get, the faster you will be able to get monetized. And eventually, as your views gets higher, and as your videos adds more to your quality, the more videos that you create, the more views you will be able to track. And eventually, over time, let's say, earning money through your YouTube automation channel. And you can do this on works too, by the way. You don't need to the normal YouTube channel. You can do this on any method that you want. And so, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.